Sarah waited for an hour outside the office. She was ready for a unique job. But she made one tiny grammar mistake. It cost her everything. Sarah Johnson dreamed of becoming an editor at the famous Word Perfect magazine for years. Today was the big day. Her interview started at 2 p.m. She arrived an hour early. She sat in the waiting room, nervous but excited. This was a unique opportunity. Today was the big day. Her interview started at 2 p.m. She arrived an hour early. She sat in the waiting room, nervous but excited. This was a unique opportunity. Finally, Mr. Thompson, the editor-in-chief, called her name. She took a deep breath and walked in. The interview went perfectly. Mr. Thompson smiled. He asked her one final question. "Sarah, why you want this job?" he said, looking at her with kind eyes. Sarah smiled back. This was her moment. She had prepared this answer for weeks and weeks. "Because," she said confidently, "I waited for an hour to be here. I'm serious." Mr. Thompson's smile disappeared. His face changed completely. He looked confused. He picked up a red pen. He wrote something on her resume. Sarah felt her heart drop instantly. "Miss Johnson," he said slowly, "did you just say a hour?" He looked disappointed. Sarah's face turned red. "Yes, I waited for a hour before coming in." Mr. Thompson stood up. "We are a language magazine. We need people who understand English grammar." "But sir, Sarah tried to explain. Her voice was shaking. She felt terrible. "It's an hour, not a hour," he said. "The H is silent. It sounds like hour." Sarah wanted to disappear. How could she forget this? She studied English grammar for 10 years. Mr. Thompson sat back down. "Let me explain. We use an before vowel sounds. Hour sounds like hour. It starts with a vowel sound, so we say an hour." Sarah nodded. She understood now. But was it too late? Had she lost this amazing opportunity? "Now," Mr. Thompson continued, "tell me, is this a unique job or an unique job?" Sarah thought carefully. "A unique job, sir, because unique sounds like unique." Mr. Thompson's eyes lit up. "Exactly! Unique starts with a Y sound, which is a consonant sound." He smiled again. "So the rule is simple. Listen to the sound, not the letter. We say an hour, an honest man. But a unique job, a university, a European trip." Sarah felt hope again. Maybe she still had a chance. She looked at Mr. Thompson with hopeful eyes. "You made one mistake," he said. "But you learned from it immediately. That's important." He crossed out the red mark on her resume. Everyone deserves a second chance. Sarah couldn't believe it. Does that mean she was afraid to ask the question out loud? "Welcome to Word Perfect magazine, Sarah. You start on Monday. Don't be late." Sarah jumped up. "Thank you. I'll be here an hour early, every single day. I promise." They both laughed. Mr. Thompson shook her hand. "Perfect answer. Now you'll never forget this rule." Sarah walked out of the office with the biggest smile on her face. She got the job. One small grammar mistake almost ruined everything, but it taught her the most important lesson. From that day, Sarah never confused a and an again. She became an amazing editor at the magazine. And now you know the secret too. Always listen to the sound, never just the letter. Want more stories to learn English? Subscribe and join our journey. Your English adventure starts now.